Uncle Mark here with another video. If you're new to the channel and like old cars, click the button and subscribe right now so you don't forget. Usually I do automotive repairs on my own stuff, and I'm always driving something different, so lots of repairs. But this time I'm taking it easy, seeing what other people have. This car is kind of cool because everybody thinks it's a Ford, but it's actually a Dodge. 1937. Take a look and enjoy. It's kind of interesting. Here's an odd sight. No, it's not a Ford. It's a Dodge. 1937 Dodge. With a rumble seat. Of course, it's been updated. It was done back in about 2012. Two buddies built it out in BC. And Buddy died a few years back. And the guy's wife had the car, hung onto it, and then finally called our buddy here in Manitoba and said, you know, I'm ready to sell it if you're interested in it. So he went, bought it from her, and drove her back from BC to Manitoba. Just hopped in and went. 20 miles a gallon. No problem. Isn't that kind of a nice little rumble seat there? It's, of course, all automatic. Nice dual exhaust. Yeah, a lot of people mistake it for a Ford just because you see lots of these Fords running around, but no, this is a Dodge. It did a nice job on the seat there too. Ford did a couple different things to it too that aren't stock. So he said I can open the doors if I want, so here I'm going to open the door. It was nice of him. I've talked to him before, and it's done. It's totally drivable. It's 350. So 350 Chevy with a 350, what is that, a Hydromatic? Is that what they're called? I think it's got air tilt cruise, and he drives it. I think it had, I don't know if it was miles or kilometers, 80,000 anyway.
Yep, yeah, oh yeah.
So it could be 50,000 miles possibly, or it's got 80,000 miles. Nice seats too. So, kind of a cool thing. I showed a little bit of age and wear, but the guy's driving it and he's having some fun with it in the summertime. Yeah, it's nice. Nice wheels too. Some kind of a candy apple paint with. They got rid of the handles on the outside, but there are little switches to.
It'll just close, yeah.
Close nice. Like I said, 350 Chevy in it. That was at that time. That was the way to go.
Blame you for doing that. It's like,
and you can get parts anywhere.
Yeah.
They got some nice headlights too. Look at these. They're some kind of a. Imagine they're an LED or HID or something. They'll shine good anyway. Oh, very nice that he was able to show me the car. Seen it a few times over the last couple of years, and he was driving it this day, and they had a little car show at one ice cream shop. So he was nice enough. I said, boy, it would be nice, or I'm doing some videos for YouTube. He said, where do you want it put? So he backed it up into some shade here, and we were able to get some nice video of it. This is what it looked like when they first got it. It's basically a pile of nothing. Totally undrivable. But they did lots of work to it, and it's what it is now. Today, yesterday. And back to today. Cool car. So that's just one of the kind of cars that you can find if you drive around a little bit. It was, I guess, a scheduled little local car meet. I don't know, 10 cars showed up. But that's the new world we're living in. They're trying to keep, distances and keep everybody safe. If you like the video, you can subscribe. You can also check out the playlist. There's an old car playlist. There's a whole bunch of other playlists too with me repairing specific things. You can look at the categories and see if one of them may interest you and may help you save a few bucks. Hope your family's doing well. Ours is doing well too. Until next time, you and your family take care. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark.
So if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. I'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.